morning everyone. I hope you are doing well. And in the last class, we have dealt with phrases. In this class, we will be dealing with clauses. Remember, phrase does not consist subject and verb. But in clause, we can find subject and verb. We can find subject and verb. So, in all the classes, we can find the subject and verb, which is not there in phrases. The clause is divided into two. One is independent or main clause. The other one is dependent or subordinate. Dependent or subordinate. And then again, this subordinate is divided into three. This subordinate clause is divided into three: noun, adjective, and adverb. Let's see about independent and dependent clause. You can see the wall here and the board here. The wall does not have any kind of support. From the base, just one above the other, the bricks are arranged and the wall is made. But the board needs the support of the wall, so it is fixed with the wall. This is dependent. Board is dependent on the wall, but wall is not dependent on the board. In the same way, there are sentences which depend on others. It is said to be dependent sentence. The sentence which do not depend on others, it gives the full meaning. It is said to be independent or main clause. Let's see an example for independent. You may sit. If you see, you may sit. It has a subject as well as verb, and the meaning is there. When you see the independent example, wherever you like. See, wherever you like. It has subject as well as verb, but the meaning is incomplete. So in order to fill the meaning, now we are adding you may sit wherever you like. Now total, if you see, it gives the meaning, but when we take it out, it gives the half meaning. And this sentence, this subordinate clause is dependent upon the main clause or independent clause. Even if it stands alone, it gives the meaning. So it is said to be independent. And wherever you like is a subordinate clause, because without the main clause, it cannot stand alone. This is said to be subordinate clause. And now we will see about the noun, adjective and adverb of subordinate. Remember, clause has subject and verb, but the subordinate clause depends on the main clause. So let's see. Noun subordinate. Noun subordinate, let's see. The thought. I would fail. Made me sad. The thought I would fail made me sad. What is the thinking? That I will fail and becoming sad. So here subject is there and verb is there. Now, and this clause gives the addition meaning to the thought, and it supports the thought or noun. It is said to be noun clause. It just supports the noun. It is said to be noun clause. And here that can be included, or if it is not included, it assumes, we should assume that it is included. Now see, the thought that I would fail made me sad. I would fail, especially that, whose, who, whom, and ever, that is what, who, whom. Noun clause starts with this. You see that it starts with that, and it supports the noun, so it is said to be noun clause. Let's see about the adjective. What is adjective? What is adjective? Adjective is which qualifies the noun, tells about the noun. Let's see an example. The thief who stole my wallet was arrested. Listen here. Who stole my wallet? This is the noun, and here if you see subject and verb is here. Who is the thief? There are many thieves are there, but particularly who stole my wallet? Who stole my wallet? So this is the adjective. The thief who stole my wallet is the adjective, so it represents the thief, and it tells the adjective, and it is the adjective. Stole my wallet. I am representing a particular thief. It represents a particular thief, so this is adjective. And then adverb. What is adverb? Which modifies or qualifies not only verb, it qualifies adjective, verb and adverb. So example, I shall send money when you need it. When you need it. I shall send money. Send. Verb. Subject. Here. Subject. Verb. Now see. Here. Send. It represents the verb. Tells of the verb. When I shall send. Send money when you need it. So it represents the verb here. So it is said to be adverb clause. Though this is an adverb clause. Simple phrase does not have subject and verb, and clause it consists of subject and verb. And today we have seen about independent, dependent clause, and then in the dependent under subordinate we have seen noun, adjective and adverb. I hope you have got it. Thank you.